not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people.
To check in, and this is our room. We already have a bunch of stuff on the table. Here is the little kitchen area, kind of like have the sink and the dishwasher. Also have a microwave and a refrigerator. Over here it's kind of cute. It's a bed. Wait, how you turn the lights on? Hey, they have a closet. Wow. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Stop it. You guys, this place is so nice.
It is nice.
Dinner with the view. You are my view.
You don't mind view, that's easy.
You need to learn how to use a chopstick. So we just pick up Denny's and look what we got. I got pancake with vanilla cream and strawberry. They didn't mess up my pancake, so we had to wait for a bit. Got hash brown, egg and bacon. Shake that we already drank half of it. Here's the birthday boy. Smile. What you got?
It's called the Grand Slam sandwich. It comes with sausage, bacon, and ham and egg. And got hash browns.
Hi guys, it's been a couple hours since you last saw the clip. We are on our way to go pick up my boyfriend Apple Watch, the new Apple Watch. So let's go.
We look so good together. No stress, take off the pressure. You wanna see the stars, but I got something better. You look like Calabasas and taste like Malibu. I watch that dress fall off your body and enjoy the view. We look so good together. We look so good together. Chardonnay on the cliffside.
They're really busy, and a lot of people holding like Apple bag.
You got the keys to my Rover. Baby, don't ask, just come over. Come on. Yeah, you think of with my crew. Rendezvous. Afternoon.
We're back in the car. I literally forgot my foundation at home, so we're just wearing sunscreen and mascara right now. However, my boyfriend cannot wait, so let's open the watch. Ooh.
Okay, we'll do this at home because we gotta drive.
Don't get it too fast. Remember the past. All the good and the bad. All of the fun that we've had. The late nights out back. Yeah, they were the best. Do you remember? Do you remember? Tonight is a perfect night for us to fall in love.
Creepy fish.
Like Sid from Ice Age.
Magic. guys, I'm back at the hotel. I shower and we're gonna eat.
I got beef.
You got beef?
Shrimp.
We got noodles. And oh, we just got back from his grandma's house, a little birthday get together. And then look at this. Ooh, nice. We're gonna finish Fantastic Beasts 2. I have something planned now, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Peace.
Good night. Good morning, guys. It's our last day and we are at the hotel lobby eating breakfast. I got bagel, scrambled egg, and Yukon potato. What you got?
Food. Nah, I think it's a chocolate muffin. I'm not too sure. Some muffin, sausage,
And
potato, and egg.
So we all packed up. We're ready to go. Let me show you my OOTD. Got this polo bear shirt with the jeans, leather jacket, and this tote bag. Well, it's star, not toe. Okay, ready to go. We made it to the aviation museum. Look at that, so cute. To celebrate his 24th birthday, we took a little trip to the Hiller Aviation Museum, which is dedicated to Northern California rich avian history. The museum highlights Stanley Hiller's innovative contribution to aviation, from personal flying platforms to unique rotorcraft with ramjet-tip rotors. My first impression was the space seemed small, but it's packed with a truly unique collection, including a lot of one-of-a-kind prototypes and the world's first successful xoxo helicopter, a groundbreaking innovation for a time which Stanley Hiller himself developed at the age of 18.
It's harder than it looks. It's like a private jet.
Don't get up too fast. Remember the past, all the good and the bad, all of the fun that we've had. Late nights out back, yeah, they were the best. Do you remember? Do you remember? Tonight is a perfect night for us to fall in love again. Tonight is a perfect night for us to fall in love again.
is so cool, but now we're gonna walk outside to see more stuff.
Take my hand, we're gonna go to Central Park as friends. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're kind of alike. Wave our hands at every single airplane in the sky. Under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're crossing the line. Hey, how have you been?
We arrived at the Taco Bell. Look at this. I think it's sprinkling. They're so packed in there, we couldn't find a seat so we can eat in the car. Nacho fries.